Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you're dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. So let's see what's there on your side, Sagittarians. What are your energies? So on your side we have the Chariot. Let's see what's on your person's side. The Strength. Okay. The most likely outcome. The most likely outcome in this connection. Is the Hermit. Okay. So on your side we have the Chariot. So you are ready to take action and proceed fast. That is that at least you have the energy to do that, and you have the plan very well thought. You want to move forward with a rapid pace. So you just want to move ahead, and you have done all the homework that is required. Sort of, you have all the information. You are ready in every way to move ahead. Okay, things are sorted out, things are balanced, and you are just I should say perfect position to move ahead, and that is what you want to do. On your person's side, we have all the three major cards out here. So this is something very destined out here. We'll see what that is. On your person's side, we have the Strength. So this person is dealing with something with a lot of patience, determination, and this person is really dealing with something. We'll see what that is. And on your most likely outcome is the Hermit. So things are not moving forward as you would like them to be. That's what I feel. There is no action being taken over here, but yes, a lot of intuition is being used, and some sort of solutions are trying to be looked within. You're just seeking your intuition, listening to your inner voice as to what's trying to find some answers. It looks interesting. Three major cards out here. Let's see, why is this Chariot here on your side, Sagittarians? So for the Chariot we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Temperance, exactly what I said. Okay, so let's see, why is this Strength card here on your person's side, Sagittarians? So for the Strength we have, yes, Eight of Cups, the Hangman, the Nine of Swords, Death and Rebirth, the Wheel of Fortune, the Emperor. Okay, let's see, why is this Hermit here for? Why is this Hermit here? So for the Hermit we have the Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Three of Wands. Three of Wands, Four of Cups, King of Pentacles, okay, so Sagittarians, as I said, you are in a mode to take swift action. That is what you want. You have reviewed, you have contemplated with the Seven of Pentacles. You know you've invested here, you've invested in this relationship, and with the Temperance you are trying to moderate the thing. So it's somehow with the Chariot, it is a very rapid action, that is what you want, but with the Temperance, you are reviewing it, you are contemplating it, still you are giving it a, trying to balance it out, or sort of, I should say, you're trying to low down the pace, you're trying to balance it. Okay, so what I'm getting, so that is, it's like, this is, you want a rapid action, here you are trying to moderate it so that it comes to a medium pace, it's something like that, okay, so that you are not rushing in, okay, so you are trying to balance the urge to rush forward, that's what it is. And with the Ten of Swords here, what I feel is, this is something, this something is coming to an end over here, and you are starting a new cycle here. Something new is getting started after ending of something, okay, a cycle in your life. It can be a totally different phase of your life which is starting, and maybe you are ready for that. That is what it can be, that also. See, you are done with something you were dealing with in the past, and that is why maybe the Chariot is showing up, that now you are ready to make a move. You've done with the cycle of whatever it was which was there in the past, and now you are ready to move ahead, and you are in full control of that. So the cycle of whatever was happening in the past is over, and now you are ready for some sort of a new beginning. That's what I feel. Or seeking new horizons, seeking new life, it's something like that. Okay, and you are moderating your approach, though you want to rush in, but you're not rushing in, you are going slow, something like that. Okay, you are nourishing it and you are going slow. Okay, so on your person side we have the Strength. So for the Strength we have the Eight of Cups, the Hangman, the Nine of Swords, Death and Rebirth, Wheel of Fortune, and the Emperor. So what I feel here is that this person is dealing with something. That is why the Strength card is showing up. This person has been having some sort of an emotional baggage, something which was really tough for them to release, and they are trying to release it, and they are trying to come out of it. Okay, so in that way, somehow both of you are to some extent doing the same thing. You are also ending the past somewhere, and this person is also ready to let go of the past. Okay, so that way is on the same page, and this person is letting go of the past. And what I feel here is, with the Hangman, this person needs time. That is why the Strength and the Perseverance is showing up. It's not easy for this person to leave this past behind, and they need that pause. They need that pause, they need that time, so that they are able to deal with it, because they have been dealing with a lot of anxiety. That's what I feel. Okay, that is what I feel. This person needs time, because they must have been dealing with something. With the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Swords, this person was really dealing with something very huge. Okay, and the pause, they need some time. That is why the Strength is showing up. It is not easy for them to come out of whatever it was which was holding them back, whatever it was which was causing them anxiety and stress and tension. So they need some time. That is why they're taking the time. Okay, that is why this relationship is stuck. That is why they are not able to move ahead. Okay, because they are actually dealing with something. Okay, they need time. That's okay. And because they need time, they don't have the energy to immediately switch over to a new relationship. Perhaps maybe you are new to their life. It's something like that. So whatever it is, this person already has something which they are dealing with, and it's not easy for them. That is why this relationship is not moving forward, because they are dealing with it. They want time. That is one thing, and it's not easy for them to immediately come out of whatever it was which was holding them back. But then yes, with the Death and Rebirth card, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Emperor, definitely this situation is ending. This person will be able to come out of it. Things will change. This person is dealing with some anxiety, some tension, something from the past. Okay, just give them that time. Hangman, Death card, three major cards out. It's a major transition which is going on this person's side. Okay, that is what this person is dealing with. It's something huge. Okay, but this will change. Things will definitely change. Maybe the situation will end. Things will change, and with the Emperor being there, things will be very much back in control. Okay. As far as the most likely outcome with the Hermit is concerned, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the Three of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that somebody has been ignored over here. Somebody here, see, somebody is trying to still, no action is being taken. Here also we have the Hangman. I really don't see anything moving forward as such, because this person has some sort of abandonment issues. Somebody here is facing abandonment issues. They have been rejected too much, perhaps. That's what I feel. This person has been rejected, maybe by you or by someone. Maybe it is the past which has been showing up, because they are already stressed out. So there are some abandonment issues. This person has been ignored, feels rejected and rejected. Though they know that you are the wish fulfillment, they see you as a relationship stuff, and they really have commitment. They know that you are their happiness, and they want commitment, and everything is there. Somehow what I feel is that with the Ten of Cups, though this person is feeling upset about it, but then they are thinking about this commitment, they are thinking about the beauty of this relationship. Okay, and then with the Three of Wands, the Four of Cups, somehow what I feel is somebody here is ready to move ahead. Somebody is ready to make a move. And somebody is really very upset over here. Focus on the past. See, one thing which I'm getting is that is the answer which this person is seeking. Whosoever it is, this person has certain abandonment issues. This person is feeling upset and rejected over something. They know that you are their dream person. They know that they want commitment with you. And what I feel is, it is like since they are understanding with the Five of Pentacles being there, this person is upset over here, and since they know that this is the energy, this relationship is giving them the energy and infusing that happiness in them, they are ready to get up and move towards new horizons. Okay, so now from this Five of Pentacles energy, since this person wants this commitment, they have all the energy, they are feeling good about themselves, they are now ready to make a move, they are ready to embark on a new journey of life. So now they have all the passion ignited in them. They are now that this relationship with you, this is the answer which they are finding them. So this is what their inner voice is telling them. Okay, you or them, that okay, this was always there, but now this person is giving me all the happiness, and this relationship is infusing the energy and the healing, and this person is now sort of from this situation, this person is getting up back up with all the passion and ready to sail in a new life. It's in a new life with a new motor, I should say, with the just waiting for the right time. It's something like that. So this person has got that energy to move ahead in life, and that is what is coming from this relationship. With the Four of Cups with here, what I feel is these are the transit times. Sometimes it's not easy, as I said. Sometimes this person has this lingering energy of the Four of Cups being upset. So that is why it is the time which they are taking with the Hermit out there. This is a transition time, as I said. Okay, so obviously this person is ready to move on, definitely. But then yes, there are times when they do go back to the past. That's what I feel. Okay, sometimes they really feel that gloominess and emptiness, that those lingering things from the past. And with the King of Pentacles, again what I feel is that things will be pretty much okay. Emperor, the King of Pentacles, things will be pretty much in control once again. That's what I feel. Guidance from the universe. Love makes the difference. Number 31 may be of some significance. Love makes the difference. Love helps people heal past hurts and provide the sense of security and self-worth. Exactly, this is what this relationship is giving. Beautiful. So Sagittarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.